Everybody, and welcome to part 2 of game 1. Or game 2, I should say. If this video does not upload, you'll still see the first part. And we defended the first... Oh, no, we actually got us there on the first one. Dang it. Victor, wait. Sorry for the background noise once more time. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting there, Victor. Oh, I found this guy. Dang it. Okay, got their Pip, side potato. Crap. No, dang it! Sky. Potato. Wait, potato. I need to purchase damage. I need defense. Okay, we should. Alright. Got that. Crap, no! I found their Victor. Oh god, wait, did she actually kill? How did she kill me? She didn't even shoot me. Wait, I'm gonna rewatch this. Oh, I just lagged. And if you guys would like to join me, send me friend request. Once again, my name is DUWL, not B Driller because it did not show up. Oh hi, Ruckus. Crap! No! I hate their freaking Ruckus. Wait, where? Oh my, our Fernando. What the heck is our Fernando doing? Okay, I got the Pip. Wait, hold on. Where's the Pip? I got the Pip. Wait, where are you now? What, did you die? I dang it. Wait, I see the sky. I know where she is. Victor. What? Oh my, really? The Victor, and then his sky just comes in, killing me. Literally a sacrifice. Okay, I need to get my... Oh no. If I was only there for that, bringing out the big guns from Ruckus, I could have. Okay, they're chickens. Alright, yeah, that's my dash. Crap, no.
30 seconds remaining.
Nope. Canessa, you're not killing me. Oh, dang it! I cannot hit them without the Pip healing the Canessa. Dang it, no. Are we gonna really lose this because of this? Nope, he's dead. Dang it! If that Fernando did not do that, bullcrap. Victor's so easy to get play of the game with. Look at that Fernando. Look at it. I don't know. I bet you I got the flank kills again. I don't know. Oh, somehow the Fernando got it. What? Sad potato. 19. one more game and then the video is gonna be over, folks. If you guys would like to see what character I should get, leave the character's name in the comments down below. I'll show you all of them. Wait, no, I don't want to cancel transaction. I don't want to buy that. Here it is, Zen, 7,500. That's not buying. I can get Barrack, and I'll show you all of the other characters at the end of the Don't Take Androxus people. He stole Androxus, and he's only rank 3.
Yeah, I'm not in that game.
Wait, you're not?
Yeah, my character is expensive. No, Ash is so expensive.
Yeah, I know. Wait, hold on, folks. Technical difficulties. I have to leave. Wait, no. Can I? Okay. Have to leave Paladins. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, we have to join again. You can see it right here. That's my name.
I'm gonna get Tovard after Macaco.
Are you gonna get Makoa? How much is he? 5K?
Yeah.
I really wish we can do a Torbjorn team. And not Torbjorn. Makoa team. Just full of Makoas.
Oh, they should have
His skins are pretty cool.
they should have a game mode where it's called all one class. Basically they spin out of all of the classes, and everyone.
Wait, what the? Wait, no, cancel. How
Everyone in that one class.
did you join? Wait, what? What the heck? Really? Okay. In the meantime, I have to wait 4 minutes. I'll show you the characters. We have Bomb King, that's 5K. Buck. Cassie. Drogos, and I have all of that. I got it from the chest.
Can I just call Grover?
I don't know. I guess we have Evie.
Fernando.
Not Fernando because we already have him. Grok, 4K. Okay, we already have Grover. Inara. Not Lex because he's $7,500. Makoa maybe.
Dollars? What?
7,500 coins, not dollars. Now down. We have Pip that I already have. Ruckus in boat. Saris. No. She has Shaolin. Torval. I already have Sky. And then we have, no, not Willow, because, and then we have Ying. So if out of those characters, what character would you want me to get? As you can see, I have an Androxus skin that's only rare, that should be real, and I want this, but okay, I should be done by now. 2 more minutes. Okay, I'll show you a skin for Pip that is probably one of the best. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. We have that. The Invader. Here we go. Yeah, we have that. Or the one that I would have, rather than this, I would rather have the, where is it? Pandemonium. I would have this one out of all of them. But what the heck is Infiltrator? Wait, what? I've never seen this one. Oh, that's what it is? Wait, what the heck does it look like though, the Infiltrator? I'm guessing it's this, right? I think it's this. Yeah. Okay, I would have that. I don't. Here's 2 emotes, air guitar, and then moonwalk. Wait, am I done yet? I cannot cancel. Okay. Bomb King has a really cool one. You guys would like to see me play competitive and help. Well, first I have to get to level 20, I think, or 25. I'm only level 13.
Be merry. Yes.
Oh wait, get wrecked. I want that in Drox's gun so bad. I know what for Victor? Oh, that's too good. Okay. As you can see, RedWoodPecker said hi, and I'll say. I should be done now. 5 seconds. Wait, does that mean that I joined the game or I can actually play? Okay, I can actually play because I quit. Okay, here we go. Well, I might be able to get the new character. Okay, I'm being in. Wait, no, I don't want to be in. Wait, no. Somebody. No, why do I click him? Why should I be a support this time? Hold up, wait. Let's be. Can we be in Droxus or? Oh, let's be in Droxus. We might only get to play one round of this because of how long because I screwed my team up. I rage quit from that. But yeah, I might only get to do one round or.
Play disconnected again.
I think I got kicked. Okay. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be doing more funny videos. Bye.